It was the heat of the moment, telling me what your heart meant. The heat of the moment, shown in your eyes. I never meant to be so bad to you. One thing I said that
Don't be a couple idiots out there. I'm going to be telling you guys the story about Sinkhole Sam, which apparently, according to some things that I researched on the internet, some things that I read in my library, that's the cryptid in Kansas that you're going to be searching for. It all started in 1952 in Inman, Kansas. Originally discovered by two-man fishing, and then later another accounts rediscovered it in 1953. All these accounts described this creature as being 15 to 30 feet long. It was worm-like in nature, had a fluke tail, and smiled exactly like a snake. Now you're gonna need some serious fire when you're out there, soldier. Around 66 million years ago, during the Cretaceous period, Kansas was covered by the Western Interior Seaway. But since then, most of its original rivers and most of the rivers and natural occurring waters are dried up or blocked off. Now, once you talk to the locals, majority of them might tell you that they theorize this is either a really large python or some alligator creature. But this is where you're gonna have to come in and find out the truth. Boy. Now, sightings of this creature has stopped over the years. Some have wondered, did the creature die? Or did it go back into hiding? Now, a similar creature has been reported in the Kingman State Lake, about 50 miles south of Inman, Kansas. But the eyewitness reports reflecting these accounts vary in size over the creature. Some have stated that his girth is so large. Some have stated that his girth is so large. Some have stated that his girth is so large that a tractor can't even run it over. That is the most Kansas thing that I've ever read before, by the way, while doing this research. Now, many are quick to disregard this creature as another rendition of the Loch Ness Monster, but it's been terrorizing people and making their foundations of their homes sink deeper and deeper every single year. Or maybe it's just a salamander. Anyway, I gotta go back to pretending I'm the FBI. Good luck, soldier. Don't be a couple of idiots out there.